What's up guys, ChristianIsTech. Today we'll be taking a look at the Spigen Ultra Hybrid iPhone case for the iPhone X. This is an air cushion technology iPhone case. Now a little bit about this phone. So it is basically form-fitted for the iPhone device, screen protection with 1.2mm lip, and it has air cushion technology as I mentioned.
Sound of the 80s. Suddenly you hear it everywhere. It's all beat and all talk. It tells you a story and makes you want to dance. Steve Fox examines an overnight phenomenon, rapping to the beat.
Applying this case is extremely easy. Basically you put in the buttons and the mute switch in first, and then the lock button comes in second. It fits very snug and it feels really good in the hand. As you can see, the buttons for the volume up and down actually stick out, which makes it really easy to press on. Huge plus in my books. And then the mute switch button is in there, but it's easy to access. Same thing for the lock screen button. It is basically out, so it's really easy to get to. Huge plus. Here in this shot we can see the lip that they mentioned, the 1.2mm lip. I love this feature because when you place your phone down on any type of surface, that means the screen will be protected, and that's awesome. However, like everything in life, this is not a perfect case. Here is a couple things that I found that I did not enjoy. As you can see little specks behind the iPhone case that are actually inside the case in between the phone. This is kind of bothersome to some degree. It could easily be fixed by obviously taking out the phone and cleaning it out, but that's one of the things that I did not enjoy. Another thing to note is that this is a plastic case, meaning fingerprints and smudges will occur. As you can see in the video, they can appear very easily, and after a while you get this creamy feeling that comes off of your fingerprints. Gets kind of annoying, but it's simple. All you gotta do is clean it off and you're good to go. Here we can see Spigen's air cushion technology in full effect. As you will see, I pressed down on the phone and you can see through the clear how the phone is actually being protected. It works as advertised. One important thing to note here is when I was applying pressure, I was really having to push down in order to squeeze all the way until I could reach the iPhone. So if this phone falls from your hand, trust me, it will be protected, especially if it falls and lands on the edge.
It tells you a story and makes you want to dance. Steve Fox examines an overnight phenomenon, rapping to the beat.
Overall guys, I am very happy with Spigen. This case is excellent. I definitely recommend it. Go ahead and check out the link in the description if you want to pick one up. It is a very beautiful, sleek phone case. It's very thin, it has the lip protection, and it's affordable. Make sure to pick one up. If you like this video, please go ahead and give a thumbs up. Also considering subscribing to the channel and checking out my past videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.